How to import multiple PDF pages into Excel. First of all, open Microsoft Excel from your computer. Click the start icon from here, then search for Excel, then click enter. Now close this, then open a blank workbook. From here, click data, then click get data from the left side. From here, click from file, then select from PDF. Now import a PDF file with multiple pages. From here, click select multiple item, then click on it, then click this to table. From here, select this table, then click load and it imported. And that's it. If you need to clean or edit that data, drag the mouse pointer on the table, then click edit. That's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.